Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the International Mind Sports Association, we are delighted to welcome you to the historic city of Lille and the opening ceremony of the Second World Mind Sports Games. Before we go any further, we would like to remind you that light travels faster than sound. This is why some people appear intelligent until you hear them speak.
Our championships in bridge, chess, draft, go and Sayanki are taking place at the same time as the games of the 30th Modern Olympiad in London and promise to be no less compelling.
Each of the 5 mind sports represented here enjoys a worldwide following. Bridge is played by numbers too numerous to calculate. Through its World Educational Foundation, the World Bridge Federation has developed a teaching programme especially for schools, supported by UNESCO, that has been adopted by countries in every continent. One of my daughters recently qualified as a teacher and has introduced bridge to her class of 10-year-olds. During a history lesson, she went through the kings and queens who rule countries and then asked her pupils if they could think of a higher category of power. One child raised his hand and answered, aces.
Chess is one of the world's most popular mind sports, played by millions of people worldwide. The computer program Deep Blue was the first machine to overcome a reigning world chess champion when it defeated Garry Kasparov in 1997. I lost to a computer at chess, but I can still beat it at kickboxing. Did you write that, Mark?
Maybe.
Okay.
Drafts is one of the oldest games known to mankind. A board dating from 3000 BC was discovered at Ur. America's Marion Tinsley is considered the greatest player who ever lived. When he resigned his titled world champion to play a match against the computer Chinook, he was bestowed with the title World Champion Emeritus. And, unlike Kasparov, he beat the machine.
Go is rich in strategy despite its relatively simple rules. There are well over 40 million Go players worldwide. Games are now played under time limits, but that was not always the case. In a famous primer on Go, the American chess player Edward Lasker described the game between 2 Japanese masters. On the morning of the 3rd day, only 2 moves were made.
Xiangqi dates from AD 569 and is played in leagues and clubs all over the world. Like its fellow mind sports, it is possible to match your wits with formidable computerized opponents.
Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, will you please stand for the French national anthem?
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present the flags of the competing countries. If you count them, you will discover there are more than 100.
And now we journey back in time to the World Bridge Championships in 1998. 5,000 players took part to the delight of the entire city of Lille. Mini bridge played a significant role with more than 300 baby bridgers competing over several days. We know that starting bridge at school helps to develop other essential skills. Did you play bridge at school?
No, almost never. Right. In this film, you'll see many things, some of which you will recognise. You will see José Damiani explain his responsibility for the worldwide promotion of bridge. You will see that French television gave extensive coverage to the championships. The manager of the world-famous Maison Paul will invite you to his restaurant and patisserie. The famous restaurant, Écume de Mer, was extremely popular with the Brigeurs. Some of you are sitting in this room. And Patrice Grand explains how much hard work went into the staging of the championships. Enjoy the film with us. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome the first Vice President of Lille Métropole, Monsieur Olivier Henno.
Monsieur le Président de l'IMSA, Monsieur José Damiani, Messieurs les présidents de la Fédération internationale, des fédérations internationales de bridge, d'échecs, de dames, de go, d'échecs chinois, Monsieur le Président de la Fédération française de bridge, Mesdames et Messieurs les champions, Monsieur l'adjoint au maire de Lille, Monsieur Lutès, que je salue, Mesdames, Messieurs. Moi aussi, je me souviens de 1998 et c'est des émotions que nous avons partagées déjà à l'époque et vous étiez déjà les bienvenus. Je pensais que c'était plus récent que ça, déjà plusieurs années, 1998 pour ces émotions. Et donc à mon tour, je voudrais, au nom de la présidente de la communauté urbaine, d'abord vous exprimer notre estime pour des champions comme vous. Car évidemment parfois le grand public l'ignore, mais les jeux de l'esprit sont formateurs parce qu'il n'y a pas de hasard et de chance, hein, c'est le fruit du talent, et donc c'est en cela aussi que vous pouvez revendiquer le nom de sport. Vous faites aussi la promotion au moment où les Jeux Olympiques de Londres sont en train de se dérouler, s'achever d'ailleurs. Vous faites aussi la promotion de l'amateurisme et de l'esprit de Pierre de Coubertin et de la devise olympique, hein, Actus, Situs, Fortius, plus haut, plus loin, plus fort. Et donc tout ça vous convient parfaitement. Et donc nous sommes très heureux de vous accueillir, de vous souhaiter la bienvenue et de faire en sorte que vous soyez ici présents. Et nous soutenons aussi votre démarche de l'IMSA auprès du CIO. Moi j'ai pratiqué le jeu d'échecs à un petit niveau au lycée, j'étais champion académique, mais je pense que ce qui a été dit tout à l'heure, notamment par rapport à la formation, par rapport aux écoles, par rapport au lycée, eh bien je le partage et je crois que le rôle éducatif des jeux de l'esprit est très important. Hein, il renforce l'attention, le respect des règles, mais aussi des formes d'intelligence stratégique et combinatoire, utiles dans toutes les dimensions de la vie. Voilà, je vous salue, je salue les organisateurs et les membres de l'IMSA. Je ne vais pas être plus long parce que les mots d'accueil et de bienvenue, c'est un peu comme la mini-jupe, il faut que ce soit suffisamment long pour couvrir l'essentiel, mais assez court tout de même pour susciter le désir, l'envie. Voilà. Bienvenue à toutes et à tous, et en tous les cas très heureux d'être parmi vous et de vous saluer et de vous souhaiter la bienvenue au nom de Martine Aubry. Merci beaucoup.
Mr. Olivier Henno, welcome actually all of you, all of the players of the different federations. And in the name of Lille Métropole, Mr. Henno said that he really acknowledged your talent and all what you are doing to actually for promoting the motto of Pierre de Coubertin. He also said that effectively, as it was shown in the film, that it's really important to educate as soon as possible children to play all of the mind sports you are playing at the moment. So he thanks you all of you and welcome you in Lille. The International Mind Sports Association was established in 2005 to demonstrate the immense value of mind sports and to lead them to the Olympic family. It unites the four federations, comprises the World Bridge Federation, the World Chess Federation, the World Draft Federation and the International Go Federation, and embraces the support of the World Science Federation.
These organisations represent over 400 national associations and 500 million players worldwide. The first World Mind Sports Games were staged in Beijing following the 2008 Olympic Games, with the opening ceremony taking place in the Olympic Sports Centre Gymnasium. We are not in the host city in 2012, but significantly, we are competing at the same time.
You represent more than 100 countries, here by virtue of your talent, dedication, and commitment. You have the opportunity to be true Olympians, which will be determined not by whether you win, but by how you compete.
We now present a commemoration of the first World Mind Sports Games in Beijing. This film that highlighted our 5 sports illustrates the exceptional media coverage that took place in China and around the world. TV, radio and the world's press carried daily reports.
One reason why we have presented this film is to remind you that all 5 sports are taking place in this building. We encourage you to take the opportunity of visiting them all during the Games. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome the President of the International Mind Sports Association, José Damiani.